Hi everyone, today I'm going to show you how we can use camera tool in Excel. The camera tool is mainly used to add images, tables, charts, ranges, and single cells to your dashboard. By default this option is not available, so we'll have to go to quick access tool, more commands, and from here click all commands. Just browse it down and look for the camera. There you go. Add it and click OK. Now you can see the icon added to the quick access toolbar. So what you will have to do is to select your data and click on the camera icon and click anywhere you want the image to be displayed, and it will automatically paste that image. So you can resize it according to your requirements, and any changes you will make to your original table, it will reflect over here. So let's say I change the sales value of product A to 10,000, and it will update it over here. Likewise, if I do any kind of formatting and let's say I change the color of the header, and the changes will be reflected over here. So this is quite a useful tool that is mainly used in the dashboard, and you can obviously use it as per your requirement. I hope you will find it useful. If you want more of such videos, keep watching. Thank you.